Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to steal anyone's credential by sending them phishing link. But first of all, this video is just for an educational purpose. Just do this on your own account. Don't use this for illegal purposes. So let's get started. Hello everyone, subscribe to my channel for more hacking tips and tricks. Today we are going to make phishing page for Gmail, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Steam, Microsoft, anything. And we can also find someone's accurate location, IP address. We can take their photos and videos by sending the link. So let's get started. First of all, install Kali Linux and update and upgrade the packages by this command. You have to install Python and Git packages in Kali Linux. Now open this GitHub link to install the tool in Kali Linux. Each and every steps are mentioned in the link. This is the tool for masking URL, and we can also install it by some easy steps which are provided in the site itself. I can show you. This is the APhisher tool. This is the steps to install it. We can directly run using the simple command. And for vacating, here are the steps to install the tool in Kali Linux. So after installing both the tools, open APhisher. Here this tool has started. First, we will focus on stealing credential. So we will use the option 1, login. So here are the all phishing pages which are already created, and it have like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, Microsoft, Netflix, Steam, Snapchat, Spotify, and so many things. So now we are focusing on Instagram. So we'll select option 5. It is if you want to create an OTP page or like two-factor authentication bypass something like that, you can press yes. We will press no. Shadow URL will not perform here because like most of the keywords are blocked by the tool, so we will mask the URL in vacating tool. So we will skip this. We will skip this too. And now the tool has started. The server and the things are now starting up. You will see. It will take some time as it will create a server and add the things in it. So now here are our URL. So now we will first of all mask this URL. We will open a new terminal. We will activate a virtual environment for this. And the tool has started now. We will put the original link here. Now, what is our domain? We are now on Instagram page, so we will put instagram.com. We can enter any phishing words like account, login, verification, anything. We will put this login verify keyword and it will make us a link now. So here are the two links. This is the first link, so this is the phishing link now. As you can see, it will now open Instagram login page. As this is the same Kali, so like we will open here. See, we will don't see any error message and something, and this is the Instagram page. You can type any output, we can press login, and then it will redirect to original Instagram. But wait, the main thing is here it is. It's showing my Windows, OS type, IP, my location, and main thing the credential which we got. This is the main thing. So you can steal anyone credential using this. We are stopping the server now. We will try for Gmail. Gmail new. No OTP. I will skip now. I will skip the masking URL part from fakading tool, as now you will get to know how to create the mask URL. And here are the URL. First we will mask the URL by this, but I am skipping this part. I'm directly showing the results. And see, here comes the Gmail page. This is the fake page. You can write anything. Now here it will we can write any password and enter. Now we will redirect on original Google page, Google Gmail page, but we have the data. See everything: location, OS, IP, password, username, and now the second part: how to take location, video, image, audio, anything. I'm just showing you the part of video. You can try anything. So there are two types of options: selfie filter, online made. We will go with selfie filter. And here are the links. As we had done previously, we will mask this URL, but I'm not masking it now. I'm just going to show the result. So once we allow, it will now start capturing this. And the whole thing is gonna capture now in backend. We will close this first and see tons of videos are generated. It's a streaming going here, that's why. Otherwise it will show the video, the photo, the audio, anything you had selected. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will come with the new tips and tricks for hacking. And again, don't use on anyone on any other account. Just use on your own account and use it for educational purpose. Bye guys.